everybody, Sparky here, terminating electrical panel for beginners. First, I always like to start out with my grounds. It's just a good rule of thumb. This is a 3-phase 277 panel, square D, commercial panel. First, I'm doing my ground feed. The pipe comes in on the left, so I work from my furthest away, closest. Now I'm doing my neutral. Easy way to remember this is gray boy for high voltage. Gray's your neutral, brown, orange, yellow's your 3 phases. Always take pride in anything you touch. It doesn't matter what you do, take pride in it, it shows. Don't forget your secret sauce. This is aluminum wire, so you have to put anti-seize so it don't seize up. Forgot my Allen wrench. Alright, this is my 3rd phase here, my yellow. Like I said, I'm stacking it from right to left here. I mark it out, cut it, skin it. It's the perfect amount each time, like clockwork. If you haven't already, go smash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if you're enjoying. I appreciate anybody and everybody. There we go. I always try to keep it nice, keep it clean. You want everything to be formed nice and it to be flowing. This is my 2nd phase. I'm just rinsing and repeating, cutting it, skinning it, secret saucing it, and then tighten her down. Look at that magic. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all might like to see next, what y'all like to learn how to do. Anything electrical. This is my 1st phase here. My 1st leg. The next part of the videos, I'm waiting on breakers to come in. But I go ahead and land my grounds and my neutrals for it. Make sure all your lugs are tight, and that's even on all your ground bars and your neutral bars. At the end, take the time, go through, check them all. So here I'm forming my ground out. Like I say, I always start with my grounds. It's not mandatory, but it's a good rule of thumb. I form it tight. You shouldn't need zip ties in the end. If you formed your wires right, they should hold themselves. Obviously, you'll put a couple zip ties on it to clean it up, keep everything free and flowing. But make sure you always transfer your numbers on your neutrals and on your conductor wires, your circuitry. That way, if you have to come back to it in the future, you can come right to it, know which neutral, know which hot. I think I only have 2 circuits here. About to the end. I hope y'all enjoyed. Smash that subscribe button and check out some of my other content. Everybody have a great day.